Reading through the syllabus for the course can answer a lot of questions that you may have. However, another popular question is just how to navigate the course, how to find what you should be working on from week to week. Right now we're looking at the home page, so the landing page every time you log into our course in Canvas. You should already be working through the orientation material, since that's where you would find this video, and I would encourage you to first read through and watch through the rest of that information. After that, our remaining assignments will primarily be completed through My Math Lab, MML. You will see a list of to-do assignments over here. However, I would encourage you to not use that as a shortcut, and you'll see why, because some resources are embedded in My Math Lab that aren't going to be available if you use that list. So what we're going to do is click on the My Lab and Mastering link in the navigation menu to show how we would navigate through MML to access different assignments. The other thing just to point out before we do that, though, is that one portion of our exams will be completed in MML, another will be completed here in Canvas. But we'll have information about that released as we hit that first exam. To open up MML, what we'll do is access My Lab and Mastering, and then click on this Open My Lab and Mastering link. The first time you do that, you're going to have to register for access for My Lab and Mastering. Part of that will be entering an access code, which I will send out to everyone via email, and I'll also post some information in Canvas about how you complete that process. A key thing to keep in mind is that due to a mix-up at the bookstore, you don't have to pay for access to My Lab and Mastering, which is great, as sort of a one-semester deal. So you'll complete those steps, but once you have, you'll find yourself in MML. The default page, the landing page, will be your gradebook, where you'll see your scores recorded for assignments as you go. There will be an email tab, but what you'll really want to focus on will be this Module 1 tab. What we'll have is the Module 1 assignments just sort of listed out, kind of giving you an overview of what you should be completing this first week. And then you'll use the links on the left to navigate through those pages. So for each page, generally what you'll see is a link to any readings for the course, which will open up the e-text, a page of notes that you can print off that accompany the videos that I've created, and then at the bottom of each page, a link to the individual homework assignment. Once you've completed those three modules, module sections, then there will be a link for the quiz. You'll have a practice quiz and a quiz available. The practice quiz you can take as many times as you want to review and prepare for the quiz. And then not every week, but some weeks we'll have discussion assignments, which we do have for this first week. So you'll want to get that completed as well prior to this Tuesday, January 19th deadline by the end of the day. As weeks go by, let's get that back up. As weeks go by, additional tabs will open up, allowing you to access the subsequent modules. So on Tuesday, January 19th, our next module, Module 2, will open up with all of those assignments then due the following Tuesday, and we'll continue to follow that Tuesday to Tuesday schedule. Again, if you have any questions about the course content that you should be working on, questions about the concepts themselves, or anything else related to the course, please feel free to get in touch with me at any time. Again, you can expect emails back within 24 hours during the week, though probably likely quicker than that. And then during office hours, much more immediate responses, as I'll be actively checking email during those times. Good luck!